Welcome to Walla Walla High School, really the crown jewel of our community. The bulk of the campus, originally constructed some 55 years ago, has served thousands of graduates over its near 6-decade lifespan. Our community and task force have shared a clear and coherent message that has framed the improvements proposed for Walla High. Maintain this magnificent campus and its buildings while bringing the learning spaces up to meet today's educational needs. Campus preservation improvements include heating and cooling and energy efficiency upgrades, safety and security considerations, a modest science expansion in order to meet laboratory science needs, eliminate the need for 16 portable classrooms currently in use, address ADA and accessibility limitations across the campus, and provide sufficient space for drama, fine arts, and career and technical education needs.
Well, a lot's changed since 1985 when I started teaching math here at Walla High. And while we've attempted to keep up with new technology, some of the limitations in the classroom simply haven't made us have opportunities for our students as they would, as the learning of 2018-19 is different than it was in 1985, and certainly different than when the building was first built in the early 1960s.
Where we are standing right now is one of the original science labs that was constructed when the school was opened in 1964. And as you can see, it's far outdated, and it has been for a number of years, even back during my tenure with the school district.
If the bond is approved, we would see some benefits from having a modernized lab, including student safety in terms of ventilation and access to chemicals. A modernized lab would mean less time and money spent on maintenance. For example, in my classroom, plumbing has been an issue for us. The new science standards really ask us to do more collaborative work with our students and to connect what we're doing in the lab with the classroom. So having kind of larger spaces built for collaboration would really benefit our students.